cars, and my name is Eric, and today we're going to take a city POV test drive in this 2021 Nissan Rogue SV. That's the mid-trim level of the Nissan Rogue. It's a beautiful Canadian winter day, as you can tell. Nice and windy, we get snow, everything's frozen. And yeah, we're just going to take this Rogue for a little drive here in Toronto and see how smooth the drivetrain at the CVT operates here in a bit more of a kind of slower speed stop and go scenario. We got two more POV test drives about this Rogue as well. One on the highway where we test assist systems and possibly the handling, and one at night where we test the high beams and do a launch and acceleration run. But if you want to hear all my thoughts about this 2021 Rogue, click in the top right hand corner for my full review where we talk about the interior, the exterior, we drive it and we sum it up and compare it to the competition. But let's go inside. Whew. A quick note, if you're looking for 2022 Rogues, this is a little different because this is 2021 Rogue. First of all, has a different engine, has a naturally aspirated engine. The 2022 has a 1.5 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine, as well as you can get leatherette seats in the 2022 SV. That's only the 2021 SV with the premium package, just so you know. But I'll talk more about that in the review. Let's start her up. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. Yep, thank you. Because it's starting to be a little colder again here. Okay, and I would say we go driving. Get this cable a little better placed. There you go. And during this drive, I will stay quiet for the most part, and we will be just occasionally I'll be chiming in. Just want to give you the chance to hear and see how it is to drive this Rogue out of the first person. And also every wet spot you see is ice right now, so we'll see how driving is. Quick look at the infotainment here in this Rogue. We don't have navigation. Nope. Don't have navigation. But the audio selection works decently fast. Go for a quick acceleration run, turn into sport, but we're in the city, so we're not going to go that quickly, obviously. As you notice, the CVT fakes shifts in sport mode, which is quite interesting, but more and more common these days. Kind of give you more of a natural feel. can finally do the normal route again, the full one instead of the shortened, where we end up in downtown on this one. That's neat. Oh yes, of course, if this is the first video you've seen of me, I do these like every week, because I review cars every week, so this is like the normal route we drive. But in the recent weeks I've had to like go a different route more often than not, because red lights, traffic, and all that, so just as a little explainer for everyone that might not be familiar with the routes I'm normally driving in these videos. Of course, I'm driving the same ones just to give you comparisons and able to compare them between others, like we've had the Escape, we've had the CR-V, we've had the Terrain, although that was before we drove that route, I think, as in terms of comparisons to this Rogue. Horrible road. Okay, let's park here. Reverse. Okay. So that was a city POV test drive in the 2021 Nissan Rogue SV. As always, if you like the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Let's turn her off. Okay, I was a little... keys here. I was a little afraid. I thought I lost it for a second. There we go. Keys right here. Thank you, car. But yeah, that was a city POV test drive in the Nissan Rogue. Let's take another look at the exterior. And like I said, if you want to hear all my thoughts, watch my full review, which should be somewhere on your screen right now. And finally, the hood popped up. I was frozen. I had it up earlier. I wanted in the parking lot. That's the engine. But the hood was frozen, so I couldn't pop it up. Anyway, watch the full review. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.